One moment, one moment. Yeah, hi. Hi, Raza. How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am doing absolutely fine. Thank you for asking. So, before moving ahead, I would like you to, give me a small introduction of you. Then I will give my introduction as well. Then we can move ahead.
Okay. My name is Chand Raja. I am from Jharkhand, and basically, I had completed my graduation, and after that, I am pursuing MCom second years. And my hobbies are playing cricket, watching videos on YouTube channel, BBC News, and CCN, and TEDx on YouTube channel. And in my future, I want to become a CA. That's
Wow,
it.
wow, 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 wow. Great, great. Glad to hear, you and I share most of the things similar. As you have
Yes.
mentioned, you like cricket, even I like cricket. You mentioned
Yes.
you want to become a CA, but I don't want to become a CA because I'm already into this, profession. Okay, let me give you my small introduction. My name is Imtiaz and I am from Hyderabad, Telangana.
Yes.
Basically, by profession, I am an accountant currently working for a startup company as a senior accountant. I am
Okay.
in this profession, yeah, I am in this profession from around 5 years. I was privileged to work in one of the best company in Dubai for 2 years. Later on, I came back home in Hyderabad and started working here. Since 2015, I am here only working for multiple sectors. Like I have worked for manufacturing company, I have worked for trading, and now currently working for service industry. Apart from
Okay.
that, I have been learning English and I love to help people in achieving their goal of learning English.
Yes.
So that is why you and I here. And now
Okay.
coming back, yeah, now coming back to the question, before moving ahead, I would like you to, let me know when do you feel that you want to improve this language? What made you to take this decision?
I know I understand the English language, but I do not speak very well English part. Then 1 month ago, I have lots of time in situations. Then I think I thought then how can I improve my English? Then let's say I have taken a subscription in Calipingo. I had taken a subscription in Calipingo, and after that, few days ago, I had I had create my channel on YouTube channel, and somebody send message and talk to every day on YouTube on Skype ID and Zoom ID. And in few days ago, I was talking to each others, and I had removed my hesitations and nervousness nowadays.
Absolutely. Great, great. First of all, I would like to congratulate you for taking this initiative. As you have mentioned, you are engaging yourself with other people over Skype to remove
Yes,
your hesitation and what can I say? You have got confidence, right? To speak
yes,
with multiple people. That is really great thing. The more you engage yourself with others, you can, you will build confidence and you will speak more fluently.
yes.
Absolutely great. So I would like to share, why do you like cricket? Why not other sports like we have?
No, I like I play every day cricket in a nearby field. Then mostly I like watching playing cricket. Watch play cricket.
Okay, so do you watch cricket? Do you like watching cricket or do you play cricket?
Yes, both us. In nearby home, I play cricket in the situation. And
Oh,
every day I go to play in the evening time in nearby field. And
okay.
in after 10 years ago, I watch play cricket and ODI team, India's and Australia and Pakistan, both us. And IPL started. I think it has started 2008,
I guess.
and then yes, it and I like IPL team in CSK.
Okay, you like CSK. Okay. Can you
Yes,
tell me
yes.
why do you like CSK? Is it because of Dhoni or Jadeja?
Yes, yes, I like Dhoni and Jadeja, and Dhoni is a good captain in our Indian team and IPL team.
Okay, so that is why you like CSK. So what do you think? Did you read that remaining matches are going to be held in Dubai in
Yes,
September?
yes, yes, yes. I read news on YouTube, and I think September in it will be start IPL on September, midway September.
In September, it will. Whenever you're talking about something like, as you have mentioned, you should have mentioned that it is going to start in September on on
on
17th or
on 17
on
on
18th.
17.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So who do you think? What do you think? Who is going to win this IPL match?
I don't know, but I in this IPL to 2021, I CSK and RCB.
Okay. Well, my perception is little different. I want RCB, either RCB or any other new team should win this title. Why? Because CSK and Mumbai Indians have already won like 3 and 4 respectively. So
Yes,
I want
yes,
you know, new IPL team to take this title.
yes. So
And
name
here in
IPL
Hyderabad,
take items. I think the Delhi and Punjab.
Punjab is not wasn't doing
I
well,
think
but
that
Delhi,
the I Delhi teams is preferred in this situation in this 20 on 2021.
yes, because they have many youngsters, and Rishabh Pant was doing really well. And apart
Rishabh
from
Pant
that,
and after few days after coming IPL, Rishabh Pant will be back in Delhi team. Rishabh Pant, no, serious are you?
Shreyas Iyer, yes, he got injured
Yes.
few weeks ago. So that is why that captainship handed over to Rishabh Pant, and he was doing not very well, but he was doing. He has taken responsibility and was doing. I can say, okay, we can say good, not perfect.
Not very well, but average good.
Yeah, you can say average. Okay, so great. So you want CSK or RCB
RCB.
win this title? Okay, who is your
Yes.
favorite player? Like, if like in Indian team, and I'm sure you must know about India is going to play World Test Championship in England.
Yes. Yes.
So what do you think about that? Who is going to win? Because New Zealand have, New Zealand players are favorite of most of the people around the world because they are in really good form. They have
Yes.
bowlers like Trent Bolt and Wagner and other as well. So what do you think? India is going to make it?
I don't know New Zealand about the who making the new teams. I don't know, but India's will definitely win the Test champion.
Okay, so is it your gut feeling, or have you analyzed, performance of the both team on that basis? On what basis you are saying
In
that
this
win the match?
situation, India's performance good.
But
In that,
from last few months, what we are seeing is, in the very first match, especially in test matches, India is losing first match. After
yes,
that,
yeah,
coming back.
every day, every matches India lose first match, lose the first match.
But here, India will play only one match.
I, Test champions only one match play.
Yeah, they are going to play only one match. So it is I'm in kind of dilemma. it has become trend of Indian team. They are losing their first match brutally, beaten by against team. Then they are coming back strong, and as we have seen, witnessed a wonderful match played by Indians in Australia. Recently, they have won. You know, everyone performance was par. At par. They were doing very well, like Siraj and Akshar Patel, Ashwin. Everyone was absolutely great.
Every player is good, and our first matches has lose the match, and then second matches and continue second matches they won the match.
Yes, absolutely. Okay. Can you share any of your best moment in which, like, as you have mentioned, you love playing cricket. So, has it ever happened in a match that you went to the pitch and you take, team was about to lose the match, but you played such an inning and make it to the, winning side? Do you have any
India,
kind of memory which you would
Indian,
like
Indian
to?
team, Indian team.
No, no, I'm talking about you. As you have mentioned, you love.
Yes, yeah. On my playing cricket.
Yes, 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 yes. I want you to share any, your small memory.
Yes.
Even I play cricket. Many times it happens. My team was losing, about to lose the match, but I played few innings that, you know,
Oh,
made team.
firstly, but 2 days ago I played cricket in my locality, and my brothers was playing. My brothers had good played in and to lose the match.
Okay. So how did you contribute in that? I want to know. Like, have
I
you
contribute.
played winning?
I contribute ball and bat.
Okay, it means you are an all-rounder.
Yes, I am all rounder player.
Okay, player. Okay, you are an all-rounder player. Great, great. So, don't you have any memory which you would like to share? Like, do you guys
Yes, in 2 days ago, I had taken 2 wickets and 3 overs, and in my batting side and 20 runs, and I think 10 balls.
okay? So, do you like hard hitting? Do you play? Do you guys play with tennis ball or
In,
the?
in that situation, where is the field? How मतलब very situated the field and match. Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible? Hello.
Hello.
Am I audible?
Yeah, audible. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, please go ahead.
What could say? I think I forget.
Okay, you are sharing about you played 10 balls. I was asking
Yes,
you
yeah.
whether you like, yeah, I was asking you whether you like, do you play like Virat Kohli or like, Rohit Sharma, who always want to go hard on the bowlers?
Okay, I like Virat Kohli is Rohit Sharma always, not a Virat Kohli.
Okay, so you like hard hitting.
Yes, yes, yeah. I like hard hitting any ground.
Okay, great, great, great. So, what was your highest score in a single match?
In a single match, I played, I think, say 70 to 75 runs uh,
Wow,
before 10 matches.
great. So,
Last 10 matches.
okay, so do you play with any other state teams or play with
No, no,
nearby?
no, no, no. Yes, I played by nearby team.
Okay. So is it a kind of friendly match, or you guys, keep bet on the match?
Yes, I played beating the match, beat the match.
Okay, you keep bet. Great, great, great. So yeah, yesterday, even I used to play cricket, but after a long time, yesterday I happened to go and play cricket. Uh, Last I played, I still remember, maybe 16 or 7 months ago. So yesterday, one of my friends called me and asked me to come to the ground. I visited there. I had kind of, hesitation, because when you don't play cricket for such a long time, you
Yes,
have doubt in your head whether you will able to play, whether you will able to, connect the ball, middle of the bat or not. I just, went there, and they immediately sent me to start as an opener. Initially, what I did, I tried to play, I tried to play middle the bat for 2 or 3 balls. Then I
okay.
got little what confidence. Then I start hitting. But unfortunately, I, hit the ball as much as I can. But the player, I got caught on nearby boundary. So
Okay.
fortunately, in the very first match, I was able to score only 12 runs in 6 balls and got out on seventh ball. So I felt a bit happy, because when you are playing for after a long time and still able to connect the ball, it is pretty much good. I
Yes.
told them, okay, next time whenever you guys are going to play, invite me. I would love to come and play.
Uh, and which player do you like in Indian team?
Well, I like Virat Kohli, but I never try to, I never try to play singles and, twos, because I don't like keep running between the pitch. I am kind of player who always love to hit the ball. If I am playing 6 ball, I try to hit the ball at least 4 times.
Okay.
I love hitting big.
You like hitting ball?
Yeah, I love hit the ball. I just wanted to, clear the boundary as much as I can, because that is what my team used to, tell me. Just go and play freely. Don't think about whether you are
Yes.
dropping the balls, whether you team is getting runs or not. We are sending you to just hit the ball. if if you able to hit the ball, if you able to get runs, suppose in 2 hours, if you able to score like 20 or 25 runs, then it will benefit the team. Later on, people like, Virat Kohli, they come
Yeah.
and they take singles, twos and all. Okay, well, now coming back to the topic, what are you doing to improve your English, as in,
Uh,
speaking?
there are yes, yeah, I'm improving my English. These are the three steps: listening, audio and video, and reading skills, and speaking any people.
Okay, it is really good. You are doing absolutely good. Which books are you reading?
I have a one book in essay book.
Essay book.
Yes, different
Okay,
types, different types of topic in this book.
okay, absolutely great. What I have figured out throughout our, 18 or 20 minutes of time, your thought process is good. When you are, you are lacking in your fluency, and you are lacking in, you are not able to figure out, you are just, delivering your thoughts in present tense only. As I have asked you a few things about, share your, thoughts when you are even describing about your favorite player. What you are doing is think. If you are sharing something about past tense, then you need to focus when you are delivering your word. You need to keep in your head that, okay, you are sharing something about past tense, and at that time you have to use V2. Have you learned about grammar and all?
Yes, I learned a grammar parts.
Okay, just give me a small thing. Like suppose, can you tell me about yesterday? What did you do? When did you get up?
Okay, yesterday I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and after that I took brush and took brush with Colgate, and I bath, and now I bath and I after that and I wore my dress, and I move on. I prepared my homework. I prepared my homework after few days, after few hours, and I took breakfast in the morning. Then
Be
I
No worries when you are addressing, when you are delivering any thoughts, just be calm. Nobody is here to judging you. I'm just evaluating, just
yes,
giving
yes,
you feedback so you can work on it. Be calm. And
okay. Then after I took breakfast in the morning, and I washed my hand, and I prepared my homework in like a CA preparing homework. Then after I talked to them online platform like Zoom and Skype ID. Then after few hours, I watched movies. I watched BBC channels and CNN channels. Then I took lunch. After I took lunch, then I clean my hand. And after I took rest in after lunch. Then
okay,
I went to, and again I wake up. I woke up, and I got fresh. I got fresh, and I went to play cricket in nearby ground. Then I came back to home, and again I started to study at home, and I watched videos on YouTube channels, and after I took dinner. That's it. I
great,
got
great.
sleep.
It was a great attempt. Just you need to polish few of the things. You are doing absolutely good. And when you are sharing about daily routines, you don't need to put each and everything you did. You can simply say, yesterday I got up around 6 or 7. Then I took, then I took bath. After some time, I took my breakfast and did spend some time watching YouTube videos. And I usually watch BBC News in order to improve or enhance my communication. Later on, I took my lunch and went to bed, took a small nap for 1 or 2 hours. Around 4 o'clock, I went nearby playground and played for some time. Around 7 or 6 o'clock, I came back home and did homework. Okay, this is how you can go in a flow. You don't need to share that each time you did wash your hands. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
You
yes,
don't
yes.
need to, yeah, you don't need to, uh, share each and everything you did.
Okay, okay, okay.
Either you can say there is a small difference between wake up and got up. Wake up is when you are, opening your eyes.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
when you are opening your eyes. Got up means when you are, moving out from your bed and going to washroom, getting
Yeah.
yourself relief. So you can say there is a small difference between that. So you can always start with, if someone asks you what did you do yesterday, so you can say, if someone is asking you, uh, ask you to share each and everything you did, then you need to share. Otherwise, usually people don't have this much of time to hear each and everything about you. Neither neither you, neither I, nobody have that much of time, unless
Oh,
people are very close to you to love you. That then only they will listen you. Otherwise, you did absolutely good. You just
oh.
need to polish little bit. So yeah, any questions for me if you want to ask?
No, I don't have any question, but how can I improve my English and where should I work in grammatical part?
See, what you can do is on Google you can find a small test of grammars. Try to take the test and you will figure out where you are doing wrong.
Yes,
Okay, so you will get to know where you are doing wrong. And what I feel in present tense you are doing much better when it comes to sharing your uh, previous days activities which already happened. There you are lacking. So you need to focus on past tense.
okay.
You need to little bit focus on your past tense and something which is
I I know all about tenses, but I talking to any person, I forget
when
tense.
you can say when I am talking to someone, I usually forget. It happens. It
Yes,
happens. Don't worry. Why it is happening? Because you have a fear in your head that whether I am speaking right, whether I am
yes,
speaking
yes,
wrong,
yes,
if I make mistake.
yes.
So
All right.
you know when it comes to learning, be shameless. Whatever is coming to your head, just speak.
Okay.
One more thing, what you can do is, as you have already mentioned, you are reading a book, right? Try to read small fiction stories if you like, fictional or non-fictional, or even you can, read small stories,
Okay.
seventh standard or eighth standard, in which you will be able to find very simple English. This will help you to improve your communication and
Oh,
listen to whatever you like, English songs, BBC. Initially in stage one, if you are listening to BBC News, you may find it difficult to understand each and everything. What I suggest you listen to Indian English first, short stories on YouTube. So you will
okay.
start, getting each and every point. Later on, you can switch to BBC. Once
All right.
you, yeah. And what else I can suggest you about your pronunciation? Record your voice, and when you are speaking to anyone over Skype or Zoom call, try to record it and listen after it, so you will come to know which words you are pronouncing wrongly.
Uh,
It will help you to, when you are speaking with someone else next time, you will focus on that part particularly.
all right.
Okay, so anything else?
No, I don't have any question now.
Okay, okay, great. It was nice talking to you. It was a
Thank you.
great meeting with you and would
Thank
love
you.
to connect with you again. Okay, have a great time, stay safe, and keep
Okay.
learning. Okay,
Okay. Bye.
bye.
Nice day.
Okay, bye.